This is administrative, no? So meaning in their own charters, meaning yung batas na either bumubuo sa mga ahensyang to, ibinigyan na sila ng authority to be able to do these their specific mandates, specifically on asset recovery. So, katulad kanina, and I will share, si Commissioner Ariel Nepomuceno shared to us that the 13 luxury cars with them, they found that there were some may mga kulang daw, no, sa kanilang mga papeles, which now gives them gives them the right for them to auction this off. So in a couple of weeks, I think, upon according to Commissioner Nepomuceno, they're just going through the process of approvals with the DOF, and they will be auctioning this off. So in that case, there will be an immediate recovery with regard to these cars, yung once mabenta na yung mga auto.
So attorney, that means kahit wala pang guilty verdict from the court against these involved persons, pwede nang mabawi yung
Yes, that's what the BOC said. They will be doing this in a couple of weeks.